Hey friends and family and all you nosy people on YouTube. Y'all, I was at home minding my own business. I was chilling. And then my friend, I call her my sister, she called me and told me to come on over and eat dinner. I was like, well, what you cooking? She said oxtails and greens and purple hull peas. And she said a whole bunch of stuff. Y'all see I'm tired. I'm tired from yesterday. I had too much fun at the picnic. But anyway, I got on in my car and I dropped the top. And I broke all kind of speed limits trying to get here. So I'm here. Okay, eat me some oxtails. Y'all hold on. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm over my friend, my sister's house, Marshonda. I'm really her kid's godmother. That's who I am to her, but I call her sister. But yeah, she done called me, told me she done made some oxtails, honey, and had to come over here and give me some oxtails and rice. Sister, what else? Mac and cheese.
That's actually Jamaican oxtail stew.
Jamaican oxtail stew?
Uh-huh.
I'll be the judge of that.
Yeah. You know that's your place. That's your area.
It was smelling a little Caribbean when I walked through the door.
Caribbean?
Mm-hmm.
Ain't they about the same though?
Caribbean-ish. Yeah. Jamaica's is part of the oxtail. Y'all have to excuse her. But anyway, sister, what else? Tell me what you got. Okra.
Field peas.
This field pea.
Mm-hmm. Right out the grounds. Oh, it's hot. My bad.
Delicious. Well,
greens, macaroni and cheese, dressing with Ghibli gravy. That real good cornbread.
what kind of greens are these?
Collards.
Oh, yeah, my sister, she don't cook out the can.
Right. Unless it's green beans, but I hate to do it. A corn.
She's talking about, yeah.
But don't get it twisted now. I will take some corn on the cob
And cut it off the
yes.
top. Yeah. I know you will, sister. Girl. Girl, you cook like, she be cooking like it's Thanksgiving. And she didn't cook this because it's Sunday. She cook like this every day until it's all gone. Sister, I didn't want to use my fingers, but yeah, Mama, I don't mean to be a heathen at your table, but I gotta do it.
That's how I ate mine. Ain't no other way.
That's the way I eat mine.
Sister, how long you cook these?
Almost 4 hours. But I had to braise them, fry them in the pan first so they can get the speedy cooking out of them and be tender. I see you sucking them right off the bone.
Yeah, I need all that fat right there.
Yeah.
I need that. It's really not fat, that's like meniscus.
Yeah. Okay.
I need all that.
Yeah, I had a napkin too to put my bones on.
I
didn't
need
want to
this
go back
napkin.
and eat them.
You need
I'm so full, I'm sick.
Thank you, Mother. Thank you, Mama.
I'm feeling privileged. You showing my food on your YouTube
Yeah,
channel,
girl.
because
That broke my neck trying to get here.
Let me call Carnival Cruises and tell
Girl.
them they all the morning.
Girl, when you said you was cooking some oxtails, girl. I'm talking about
Jamaican oxtail stew, because I know you're a Jamaican in your true form.
Girl, I'm talking about, I got on the freeway and I really couldn't decide. I said, should I go the long way or the short way? Which the short way is the best, long way, damn Pleasant Run.
But it feels short though.
Yeah, but you got
like
lots.
you cutting through, but you got the light.
You got
but
the
it
light.
just feel different. Because
I
I do
need
that
some
when
hot
I
sauce.
leave your house.
You got some hot sauce, sister.
You don't taste some pepper?
Yeah, she got some hot sauce. No, you can't taste the pepper. I did.
You know this side of my mouth is numb. I don't have no, it's numb. We'll talk about that later. This was part of my stroke, y'all. When I had my stroke, it left the side of my mouth over here numb. I don't have
You
any
had a stroke?
Mom, you know I had a stroke 4 years ago. I had a heart attack. I had brain surgery.
I switch one back. We don't play around.
Oh, give me this one. Ooh, I want both of them.
What?
Remember when we were in Plano and we brought her to the house?
That's when I had my
It
stroke.
was a light.
Oh, that was my mini stroke. I'm talking about my major stroke that I had 4 years ago when I stayed in the hospital for 7 weeks. That's,
I didn't
Mama
know,
didn't know about
I didn't
that
know
one.
her then.
Mama, 4 years ago. I'm just gonna stabbing people.
I swear to God, her granddaughter is 30. Okay, you a godmama, and so I knew you 2 years prior. What's wrong with Mama? My mama smoking that shit,
Y'all, this is same. This Marshonda mom. This is the same one. We was getting ready to go to
bingo.
No, bitch.
Y'all was going.
We was gonna go to the cabin. Remember, you had made that moonshine.
Oh, yeah.
Mama say, I'm finna call the feds and tell them y'all crossing the state line. Y'all, I swear that video is on my other channel. It's the Purple Princess, the Purple Penny Pincher. But it's this mama right here. This is the one I was laughing at in the bathroom. Tell me she gonna call the feds. Tell me I'm telling y'all got that moonshine crossing the state line.
She ain't worth the quarter.
Oh, girl.
She ain't worth the quarter.
Yeah, but anyway, when I had my stroke, it left all of this is numb.
Oh, really? Baby?
This is one of my side effects. Yeah, but I can still walk and talk, and you know what? I would take this over ambulism any day.
That's right.
I wouldn't want to be like stuck in a wheelchair. I mean, if I had to, I would adapt to it. But this is the only thing that left me with. Took my taste buds away, and it's numb, and my fingertips are numb. You know, it affected this side here, so I'll take that. But I just wanted some hot sauce anyway. I just want some hot sauce. Good one.
It depends.
Yeah, because if I was eating
Cause
fried
this
chicken,
might go good on the fish.
yeah, fish, fried chicken, I would eat this one.
But both of those are a must.
Got to have them. This is what I
That's
put on my
our state. That's our hood.
Girl, you know I love me some okra.
I do too.
I
knew you were going to enjoy that because I enjoyed that. It's butter okra too. I started to drop it in the peas because that's how Daddy do it. But I tell you, you know I got a weird family. That's why I cook so much. Cause
She don't like her okra and peas.
Yeah,
she don't eat okra.
And I
She
don't
can't
like.
just pick 'em out
I
and
eat
She'll
okra.
feel some kind of way with her ugly self.
I eat okra shell, but I
I'm
don't
calling my
like.
sister
I like
ugly.
it
That's
cooked
my wife.
separate from my peas.
I like mine in my peas because
I
that's
like
how my
I
daddy did it.
I don't.
You hear me? That's how my daddy did it. Big country.
Girl, I love okra. I still haven't planted my seeds yet. I'm gonna plant 3 rows. Anyway, y'all knows the people. Let me talk to my sister. I just want y'all to see these oxtails, honey. Go ahead and I'm gonna have to pick this one on up.
Tracy talking about, y'all better save me some.
What's that?
Tracy. She not coming from Louisiana supposedly tomorrow.
Oh, she out of town.
You know, Tracy had moved away. Tracy moved
Oh,
to Louisiana.
I thought you was talking about the cold. I had ton of it. I wasn't even thinking
Just
about
like
it.
Mama. Like I met you 4 years ago.
Shut up.
Girl. Let me go tell my Tracy.
I think gone.
Oh, maybe that's why she tried to call me. But when I called her, she must be and blocked me by accident. And when I called her, it said the subscriber you calling.
Sister, why your nails look like that?
Because Timmy ain't got them done. Didn't I tell you I'm back?
See, my brother now, he done married you. He got to maintain everything now.
He can't. He trying to pay people off, you know, from the situation, you know.
I know. We're not going to talk about that.
Yeah. Are we still on YouTube?
Yeah. Let me check this out.
Damn. When I said situation, you nosy bitches.
You know, I got some nosy people.
I'm just saying it because Shell said it. I don't know y'all.
I got some nosy people.
I mean, not
on
all
YouTube.
y'all. I know
I like
some
my
y'all.
nosy people. You know most of them.
Yeah.
Whew.
I don't know why you grabbed all that knowing you couldn't eat it all.
I'm gonna eat them.
Don't eat and get
You
sick.
better not get sick like
you
me,
be
'cause I
like
was-
Timmy. He so what was that he drinking? His stomach hurt, and he finna get another cup.
Probably
Yes.
Kool-Aid. Ain't no telling. He be. That's all he do is try to drink up every damn thing.
He be thirsty all the time, sister.
Girl, I look around and my whole cup is gone. Mama, he just want to share with you. Hey, shares when I drink some, he drinks some. I drink some, he drinks some. It's not sharing if he drink it all or he take your last.
He like Madison. Don't set your cup down.
Baby, I said this must be an African thing. He just came in the room one day just drinking out of cups. I was like, that's not my cup. That's good. I said, oh, Madison do the same thing. She gonna be some African shit.
You better not set no cup down.
Baby, you better not sit no coke down. I ain't never seen a child that can drink a coke straight without
swallow it
breathing.
like that without breathing.
I was like, girl, I can't breathe watching you. Oh, Michelle, I'm gonna have to find that video because I was telling Daddy, what did I want to do? What did I? Oh, you know, snap peas.
Sugar snap peas?
Yes, where you snap them and you cook the peas. You know the one? Yeah.
They kind of flat.
Yeah,
Oh,
but the peas are in there and you take the peas out. You can eat them like that, but I don't eat them like that.
Edamame. Edamame?
I guess. I don't know. You pick them out the ground in the country.
Yeah.
I guess. I don't know. I just know
That's
I
where most
wanted
peas
some
come
because
from.
it's good. I don't give a damn about you and your people. I'm just saying, I don't know what the fuck they call them. We call them sweet peas, sugar peas, snap peas. That's what she talking about.
It's the same.
Oh, but wait a minute. So they gave it a fancy ass name.
Same thing.
But still, that ain't what we call them in the country. Don't do us. Don't do us. I'm about them. Don't
You
do
talking about
us.
these, y'all.
Get my shit. We call them sugar peas or snap peas in the country. We from the country. They ain't no damn eat 'em on.
Girl. Edamame.
No eat 'em on.
Edamame.
Whatever.
Well, what you did to them? What is
Well,
this,
anyway,
sister? What is
I
this?
wanted to buy a whole bunch
It's
of
a
them.
potato.
Probably fell to the bottom and cooked a little too much, but that's where all the flavor is.
I like mine like that.
Yeah. So anyway, I wanted to get some. I want him to bring me some so I can do them. And I told him, I said, that's a tedious job. I said, but I can get Madison to help me. And Daddy said, well, you sure can. The way she was shucking that damn corn at 2. I'm about to show you the video, baby. She was shucking that corn.
Go find it for me. What's on your phone?
Yeah, I don't want my old phones. I'm about to
Girl,
find that video.
I'm taking some of these home. You gonna be mad, so let me know if I need to slap $2-3 in your hand. I'm taking some of these home. I need to eat these in private.
You know, I ate those. I think some. Now, my roux was different. I used the beef base last time. And I must admit, the last one were better to me. Because I used that beef base. But I didn't in this one. I used more of a tomato base. And I just think the beef base gave it that rich flavor. You know what I'm saying? But I ate that for 3 days. I was sick every day because every day I ate it. And I ate it on African fried rice, baby, with the vegetables in it. And, ooh, with the curry. Baby, I was sick for 3 days straight. I wouldn't stop because it was so good to me. I tried to get you to come over here then.
I must have been doing something. Let me
You
drop
didn't
this,
answer the phone.
I forgot I was in another world. Anyway, you guys, I'm finna go. Let me talk to my sister. Y'all love each other. Eat some good food like this. Love each other and treat each other right. Goodbye.